I just got a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, this turns horribly. I wish it could go faster. Like, what is that? I have an idea. Let's get one of those speed cube thingy-majigs. Look at this cube. That looks so good. I've got the speed cube. The speediest speed cube in the world is game. Why do I have a credit card bit? What is this? Too excessive again. Oh, tutorial. Let's just look at the cube. Oh no, I've scrambled it. I can do turns on it. Oh no, I broke it. Try to put it back in. Did I just fix it? Did I fix it? I broke it again. Yes, I fixed it. Now let's try to solve this. Let's just look at this and hopefully it teaches us how to solve it. What? I can't read Chinese.